We want to integrate 1 over 2x minus 1 with respect to x. Remember, the integral of 1 over x with respect to x is the natural log of mod x plus a constant. If we have y is the log of 2x minus 1 and we differentiate, we get that dy dx is 1 over 2x minus 1 multiplied by the differential of the inside function, which is 2. So if we integrate this function, following this we're going to get the log of 2x minus 1, which of course we should put in moduli. And here, when we differentiated, we multiplied by the differential of the inside function. When we integrate, we do the opposite, and multiplying by a half is the same as dividing by 2. So we get a half log 2x minus 1 plus c.